Cleaning your RoboVac 30C. First of all, turn off your RoboVac 30C. To do this, flip the 30C over, press the 0 button on the power button, and your RoboVac is turned off. Empty the dustbin of your RoboVac 30C. Press the dust collector release button to pull the dust collector out. Open and empty the dust collector. Cleaning the prefilter of your RoboVac 30C. Remove the prefilter as shown by pulling the hooks on the prefilter. Clean it with the provided brush or a vacuum. You may optionally also rinse this with water if you let it dry. And then place the prefilter securely in the dust collector. Replacing the filter of your RoboVac 30C. Open the filter compartment of the dust collector by pulling on the blue tab. Remove the filter and the black foam insert from the dust collector. Clean each of these using the provided tool or a vacuum. Optionally, you may also wash the white filter with water to get all of the dust off of it. Just make sure it dries completely before you reinsert it. Put the black foam filter in first, and then place the white filter on top of the black filter, and close the filter door. Push down on the blue button to reinsert the dustbin into the RoboVac 30C. Cleaning the rolling brush of your RoboVac 30C. Turn over your RoboVac 30C and then pull on the release tabs to unlock the brush guard. Lift the rolling brush to remove it from the RoboVac, and clean the rolling brush by cutting any hair or debris that have gotten stuck on it with the provided tool. Also, clean the bristles of the RoboBrush using the tool that is provided to pull any lint or hair that is stuck in the brushes out. Finally, don't forget to clean the ends of the rolling brush as well as the bristles. Debris can get stuck in the ends of the rolling brush, and you want to make sure that you clear that out when you clean the brush itself. Also, make sure to clean out the very ends so that the connection with the RoboVac 30C is clean and secure. Reinserting the rolling brush of your RoboVac. Reinsert the rolling brush of the RoboVac 30C, putting the square side into its square hole first, and then put the second side down. Replace the brush guard and click into place. Clean the side brushes of your RoboVac 30C. Remove the side brush by pulling it from the RoboVac, and then carefully unwind and pull off any hair or string that is wrapped around the side brush. Use a cloth dampened with warm water to remove dust from the bristles of the side brushes and reshape them if they have become bent. Replace the side brush by putting it on and pressing it down to the RoboVac 30C. Remove the second side brush and repeat the process. Carefully unwind and pull off any hair or string that is wrapped on the side brush bristles. And then clean the side brush bristles with a cloth dampened with warm water. Take care to reshape your bristles as you do this. It is a good opportunity to shape them back into their original shape. Finally, replace the side brush by pressing it down on its connection with the RoboVac 30C, and cleaning is complete. Turn the RoboVac 30C back on and set it back to doing its job. Thanks a lot for watching.